Hi guys, how are you? Good afternoon. Okay, today we'll see in our English class the topics, the clothes, okay? Let's watch this video. Please stand up. Repeat with me, okay?
Put on
And
your shoes, your shoes, your shoes. Put on your shoes, your shoes, your shoes.
Okay, very well, excellent. So we will answer. Let's ask some questions. What clothes are you wearing now? Okay, okay, very well. Let's say the vocabulary. See the vocabulary. Okay? The clothes vocabulary. Repeat with me, please. Jacket, coat, raincoat, jumper, sweatshirt, cardigan, the shirt, top, shirt, tracksuit, trousers, jeans, shorts, skirt, dress, underpants, bra, socks, pajama, dressing work. Okay? Very well. Now we will answer some questions. What is this? This is a blue skirt. This is a purple pants. This is a black pants. Okay? Okay. What is this? Okay, very well. Okay, guys. Let's do the next workshop in class. Okay? Workshop match each word with the clothes. I draw a picture of myself pointing all the different items of clothing I wear, for example. Okay? Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you very, very much. See you in the next class. Goodbye.